JavaScript, a language created in just 10 days for the browser, today runs websites, servers, mobile apps, desktop, and even AI. One language. It's everywhere. Even desktop apps like Discord, VS Code all run heavily on JavaScript. So how did a language that isn't even perfect end up being used for everything? So once upon a time, JavaScript was just for browsers, but now it's everywhere. It wasn't meant to build applications, nor was it meant to build servers. It was just meant to add a little interactivity to the website. But as the web started growing, JavaScript also evolved with it. Websites stopped becoming a white page to show information. It became an application. And when frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular showed up, JavaScript started changing too. The real shift happened when JavaScript left the browser. With Node.js, JavaScript could finally run on servers. The same language that handled clicks and animations was now handling databases, APIs, and real-time traffic. It just didn't stop in the servers. It went even further. JavaScript moved to mobile development, powering Android and iOS apps through frameworks like React Native. Just write code once, and it'll run on any mobile device. And somehow, it also didn't stop there. JavaScript showed up on the desktop too. Desktop apps like VS Code, Slack, and Discord are built using Electron, which is a JavaScript framework. At this point, JavaScript wasn't just a web language anymore. It's a platform. So that's how JavaScript slowly took over every space. But it didn't take over because it's the best language. It took over because it was already everywhere. Every browser runs it by default. Millions of JavaScript packages were created. One command to install almost anything. If a problem exists, there's already a JavaScript library for it. Another main reason is that developers didn't need to learn multiple languages. Just learn this one language, and you're good to go full stack. JavaScript didn't just win by being perfect. It won by being unavoidable. And looking at the current scenario, JavaScript will keep spreading. Today, JavaScript runs AI models directly in the browser. No servers, no Python, just JavaScript, doing inference in real time. It also powers modern games and 3D experiences. Physics engines, shaders, entire virtual worlds running inside a browser tab. It still doesn't stop there. JavaScript is also used to control IoT devices, sensors, and even robots. Code written for the web is now interacting with the physical world. That's how fast JavaScript is being adapted in everything. But let's be honest, JavaScript isn't perfect, and using it everywhere can have some issues. Mainly, performance can be an issue. Desktop apps built with JavaScript often use more memory than native ones. Another thing is the JavaScript ecosystem moves fast and sometimes too fast. New frameworks appear frequently, and developers feel constant pressure to keep up. And just because JavaScript can be used everywhere doesn't always mean it should be. So that was all about the JavaScript. How a language meant to be used in a browser is now being used everywhere. Many people love this language, and many people hate it. But love it or hate it, JavaScript has a huge influence on the software world. So let me know in the comments if you like using JavaScript everywhere. And do you think this language will ever be replaced in the future? Leave your thoughts in comments. If this video was interesting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.